welcome back. We're finally haying. Woohoo. It's been a while. Finally back out in the fields again. I miss this. I'm tired of all the equipment breakdowns. Well, anyway, we're gonna get this field mowed, baled, and raked today. Mowed, raked, and baled today, and wrapped. Let's get to it. Alrighty, hay's all done drying, so it's time to get it flipped. We're greasing this thing up and oiling it up, and then we'll be ready to go. All greased, time to get raking.
You want to try there?
Yeah, let's go there. Alright, all done raking, so now we're starting to get baling. Gonna get that wrapper in here in a little bit, and then, yeah, I just gotta rake the outside row in once he goes around once. Alright, let's get stuff going. Alright, let's get the bale counter on. Through this thingy. Alright, let's get this thing routed.
I yanked all of those rusted lines out of my truck this morning. I've never had my hands look more black before.
Alright, let's see if it counts. The gas, take it out, this. This thing should be almost dropped. Yep, it's all set to go actually. I actually leave that hitch in normally. Let's get this thing started up in the field so then we can get that other one in the field. Alrighty, let's get this first bale loaded, see what happens. definitely too much on that, but too much line.
Not my department.
Not your department, no. All right, stop for a second. Little trouble with the old old twine, so gotta rerun it all. Farmers out there will know how that's kind of annoying, right, Dad?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get this done and we'll get this finished up pretty soon.